Hello everyone and welcome back to S3 Cloud Hub. To pass the Associate Cloud Engineer exam and to sound like a professional in interviews, you need to speak the language of the cloud. In this video, we are going to cover the key terminologies you must remember. We will look at the technical terms that define cloud performance and the financial terms that define cloud value. These are not just definitions, these are the core principles of why we use the cloud. So let's get started. Let's start with the technical side. Here are the five most important concepts. Elasticity. Think of a rubber band. This is the power to automatically grow or shrink your server capacity exactly when demand changes. You don't do it manually, the system does it for you. Agility. This is all about speed. It is the ability to move fast. Setting up infrastructure and launching a new software in minutes instead of weeks. High availability. This is critical. It means designing systems so your application remain online and reachable, even if hardware fails or maintenance is happening. Latency. This is the delay, the time it takes for data to travel. In the cloud, we reduce this by placing servers physically closer to our users. And last, global reach. Finally, this means leveraging a worldwide network to launch your app in any market instantly. Now, let's look at the financial terms. This is usually where the business saves money. First, let us see the difference between the capital expenditure and the operational expenditure. This is the most famous comparison. CapEx is the old way, making large, risky upfront payments for physical hardwares like server. And the OpEx is the cloud way, a flexible pay as you use model where you rent resources as a monthly service. Pay as you go. This gives you the freedom to trade fixed cost for variable expenses. You only pay for the resources you actually run. Next, economies of scale. Why is the cloud cheaper? Because big providers buy hardware in massive bulk. This allows them to offer you much lower prices than you could ever get on your own. Then, focusing on value. Finally, the cloud handles the heavy lifting of hardware maintenance. So, you can focus 100% on what makes your business unique. Memorize these terms: capex, opex, elasticity, and high availability. You will see them often in the exam questions. In the next video, we will look at some examples of these cloud concepts. I will see you there.